Good morning. Look at that. That is snow. That's what that is. There is snow on our ground. Oh my God. Russ is gonna need to take the truck. It's so dark. Let me get the dog fed. Alright. Snow. God. I hate it. I don't care for snow at all. JJ's been snorting a lot recently. There you go. So, snow. We got the garbage disposal installed. Everything seems to be running well. We haven't disposed anything yet, but it's not leaking. Russ put it together himself. I was going to help, but he just decided to do it himself for whatever reason. Not that I'm complaining, but I kind of wanted to do it, you know? I like being a handy lady, you know? But anyways, the thing is, he didn't want to read the instructions. So I'm like, read the instructions. Okay, well, it looks like this does blah, blah, blah. I'm like, read the instructions. Okay, I think I'm figuring it out. Read the instructions. Oh, there's no way this holds this up. Read the instructions. So finally, he read the instructions. And guess what? It holds it up. Yeah. Anyways, just read the instructions, people. It makes life a lot easier. And on that note, I gotta pee. JJ is ready to go inside. Yes, it is. It's very bright. At least it's sunny. Ish. It's bright, it's cloudy, it's not sunny. But at least it doesn't look like it's not snowing anymore. I think we probably got like an inch. Probably an inch of snow, no big deal. No big deal. Hopefully it'll melt. But, you know, who can say? We can't say. We're not weather people. Maybe the weather people can say if it's gonna stay or not. I could watch the weather and find out, but I'm not gonna. Alrighty, it's break time. First break, kind of early, 10:56 in the morning. That's early break for me. Usually it's around 11 something, like 11:30 or whatever. No problems, not complaining. Gonna have some breakfast because I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. You don't even know. I gotta put you down. Okay. I'm gonna find out if the garbage disposal is working. Let's see. No leaks. We got that established. As far as plumbing goes, no leaks now. Disposal, our first thing. It's actually quieter. Quieter than our older one, which is nice. And we don't see any leaks. We've disposed of an eggshell. No leaks still. think we're good. That's awesome. So that means I'll be able to clean up my kitchen floor. Okay, now time for something. Breakfast. Oh, time for breakfast. I'm not sure what's going on here, but my egg seemed to it must be how I'm whipping it up or something. Maybe I'm whisking it really like a lot, because this is what it, look at, it's fluffed and now it's deflated. So it's very weird. Why is it fluffed up? I don't know. There's no water, or I didn't put anything extra in it or anything like that. Weird. And still slides out. Oh, so nice. Oh, so nice. I definitely should make some ham for this lunch, so I keep my pan nice and seasoned. I do want something in here other than just the egg. Look at the bottom. Isn't that weird? Anyways, that's all I got. Okay, bye. My phone, whenever I record, or not whenever, but sometimes when I record, start recording, it'll pop up this notice saying, for best picture or something like that, clean your screen. So, there, I cleaned it now. So now, lunchtime. Yesterday's supper, I made just some noodles. Oh, if I can get it out. Alfredo noodly stuff. See? It's not macaroni, it's those longer. Here, I'll just pick one up. How about? Come here, you noodle. Longer curly Q noodles. Well, that one broke. Whatever, I'll show you in a minute. Russ was supposed to take some to work. He obviously... Oh, why is it wet over here? No. Great. Our garbage... Not our garbage. Our dishwasher is leaking. Which I know happens when this little drain thing down in the corner there gets too dirty or doesn't drain properly or whatever. So yay, I've got more to clean up. So anyways, my foot's wet. I'm gonna make some supper or lunch. Okay, bye. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In a land snow is glistening. Beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. It's last break time. Last break. Everything's fine. I don't have anything to add to today. I reheated my noodles. I wonder if Manoodles, is Manoodles a thing? It sounds like a band. Welcome to the stage, Manoodles! Or it sounds, sounds like a dish, I guess. Eating some Manoodles. You're crazy, you got Manoodles. Something wrong with you. I don't know. Manoodles should be a word of some sort. It's not, but it should be. Well, what kind of word would it be? I don't know. Making up words. I like to make up words. If you think about it, all words are made up. Or the way we use words are, changed periodically, like the word gay. Gay, back in the day, was just meaning happy. Now it means, well, gay. So, and then there's other words that just don't mean what they used to mean. Like, what was it? Nowadays, dank. The word dank is not it's for young folks like my nephew. Dank means like hilarious or funny. Whereas dank, for the rest of normal people, it means like something dingy, I guess. You know, like a basement is dank, damp, cold, wet, whatever. But dank, it's very weird. Like, why would you change it to something good? Dank is a good word on its own. You don't have to change the meaning. Just let it be what it is. Anyways, I'm going back to work. Dirty can. Just won't stay clean. Focus. There we go. JJ. What's up? What's up, JJ? JJ. Are you hungry? Always. Oh my gosh. What? She'll come back. I'm coming. Yeah. I'm coming. Goodness glaciers. Turn the light out. Close the door. Alright. Darkness. Oh, you want to go outside first? Alright, JJ. Open the door. JJ wants to go outside. There you go. Just gonna pee really. You didn't even have to. Oh. She didn't even go pee. Alright, JJ. Close the door. Lock. Time to go feed the dog. Yes, okay. Okay. Ow, you landed on my foot that time. I think you're jumping up higher and higher. I feel like you're jumping up higher and higher. Okay, JJ. Sit. Stay. Okay, don't stay. Whatever, fine. Didn't even try to wait. Ugh, whatever's. It's all blurry. Okay, so I've got nothing to do today. Yes, I do. I should clean that out. I don't want to. What if there's something else I can do? Time to Google how to clean easy my dishwasher. Well, it's that time of year, I guess, or months. Every 6 months or so, you're supposed to clean out your dishwasher. Prevent it from getting smelly and for the drain thing to keep working. Well, the drain thing on mine is not clean, so it leaks. So, to prevent this from happening, we have to clean the dishwasher. I didn't clean it, so it looks like this. Gross. Especially the bottom. So, I'm taking out the racks. I'll be spraying it down with my all-purpose cleaner, aka vinegar and dish soap, and wiping that out with a rag. Here's a rag. And then I'm gonna do something else. I'll show you that in a second. Once the bottom of your dishwasher is cleaned out, so you can see mine looks a lot better than it did. Just a little bit of wiping, probably 5 minutes. Take 1 cup of clear distilled white vinegar, just 1 cup vinegar. Pour it into your 1 cup measurer. Well, that's not gonna work, is it? I'm trying to have it level and it won't stay. There we go. put it in the middle of the top of your dishwasher. Alright. Then we'll close the dishwasher. Make sure this is not spilled. Okay, it's spilled. Fine. Anyway, some people will put it on the bottom. I like to put mine on the top. Okay, so put your trays back in. Having issues, there we go. Close it up. Put it on the highest heat, which would be pots and pans. High temp, and start. That's gonna go. It's time consuming because you have to wait for that to finish. Once that's done, then we do another thing. So I'll show you that after a while. Close your doors, close your cabinets, close your drawers, and close something rhymes with cabinets. My dishwasher takes forever to do whatever it's doing. It's done, and the next move would be to put a cup of baking soda on the top rack, and then run another wash, because the vinegar, I guess, loosens the stuff, and then the baking soda actually looks cleaner already. That's pretty cool. And the baking soda, I guess, does more. And it's not stinky anymore, so that's also good. But it's like 9:47, so I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna put in the baking soda since I'm here. I'm gonna put in the baking soda, run the cycle overnight, and then we'll see how it turns out in the morning. So I'll talk at you tomorrow. Have a good night. Toodles.